Now to tie the Pipa knot, you start by making a loop and crossing it over like this. Then take that end and make another loop a little bit larger than the first one and cross over that again. So you're making a figure 8 like this. Now take the end and bring it underneath the top loop. I guess that's the bottom on the video, the first loop. Okay, now you're going to make another loop inside this right here. Let's see, you may need a little adjusting. So the next loop is going to run just inside the first one. The second loop, the first loop, just like that. So you're making another figure 8. Wrap this one around underneath the wrap that was around the first time. I'm not explaining this very well. Hopefully the video is more eloquent than my words are. And then you're going to tuck the end through the center here. So your end sticks out right here. Voila! You have a Pipa knot. Then you just bring this together into a pleat and stitch that Pipa knot down in place onto the end of the stole. And here is my finished sample of the stole, knitted in Kayla's yarn, whipsonsticks.com, the luster sock. She calls it luster sock. Here is the Pipa knot and the applied I-cord edging, of course the ruffle, and this is how it looks on the back. It's a little bit bunchy there where I sewed the pleat, but that doesn't show on the front side, so I thought it was acceptable. And then you can see I finished this with a little section of I-cord with a couple tassels. Tassels are at either end of the I-cord, and I just passed this through these loops on the ends of the Pipa knots to fasten it together. You can also pull these out if you like and have both tassels hanging off one end, which gives you a little bit more potential for different ways of wearing it. But I just like the tassels because they're so much fun. So there you go.